Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to learn certain techniques for your eye care. So I welcome you all in our 5-day eye care program. In this program, we are going to talk about the health of your eyes and we will teach you certain techniques which you can apply on your eyes on daily basis. For example, if you are sitting in office, you can apply that technique. One of some technique, like there will be 5 techniques you apply, whatever technique is possible for you. For the betterment of your eyes. So that is the good advantages of learning these techniques. Even if you are not at home and you are somewhere else, you can apply. If you are sitting in your bed or anywhere you are, you can apply these techniques. You must be thinking like why it has become important to learn the techniques, general techniques of eye care, what Ayurveda recommends. Why it is important? Because these days how is our lifestyle? All the time we are sitting in front of the screen. Either we are operating Facebook, Insta, TikTok, some videos, YouTube, this, that. So I think more than half sometimes of our day spent on online. Even our all now we know digital era is coming. So whole of the work is on computer screen. If you are not operating your mobiles or internet or these laptops, this, that, you are feeding something, you are making some reports, you are making reports of students, you are doing some office work. All the work is on digital platform now. So now eyes become very important. Why? Because all the time you are straining your eyes, you are looking at the screen constantly. Sometimes you have to read certain small digits that are appearing on your computer screen. So it is very, very important that if you learn these 5 techniques or 6 techniques, at least you will do something for the health of your eyes. And we can, by using these small techniques to our eyes, which are mentioned in our ancient Ayurveda texts, that will help the functioning of your eye, that will help to make sure that your eyes don't get tired. Like after day work, body is tired, that is one thing, but eyes for sure they are tired, because whole day on computer screens, especially those people who are computer engineers or IT professionals, or those people whose work is all the time on laptop. So for those people, because what to do, you have to work, because that is part of your life. So let's learn a few techniques which makes our eyes better. And these are very simple techniques. It looks like, oh, what to do, but they are very simple techniques. And if someone will know it, it's very helpful for him to make use of it in their day-to-day life. Let's start. So as we mentioned, it's a 5-day program, and in each day we will learn one technique. It is just a 5-minute technique. You need not to do much, you need not to spend much time for that. So it's a 5-minute technique, and we will daily learn one technique per day. And at the end of these 5 days, you will incorporate all these 5 techniques in your life. But so that there will not be much burden on you, like because daily in the morning only 3 minutes are very important. So you don't have much time to incorporate everything. But if we learn day by day these techniques, it becomes very easy to make them a part of your life. So with this point of view, we have made this 5-day eye care Ayurveda program, in which we are going to use the Ayurveda methodologies, just the simple maneuvers, some simple techniques to make the health of your eyes better. First thing what you will do is, you get out of your bed, then you go stand in front of your wash basin, clean your hands with soap thoroughly, very properly, and fill your hand with water and hold in your mouth. Take water, hold in your mouth, and make water in your mouth in such a way that it looks like, whole mouth should be filled with water. what you do after that is, then you will see naturally your these muscles which are under these eyes, they will become stretched, because when your posture of mouth is like this, now these muscles, this naturally this will stretch, because you have water in your mouth. In this posture, what will, not big stretching will happen, but naturally it will stretch, eyes will naturally come in certain posture. So, when this will happen, you take water and splash into your eyes, and water should be cold, not freezing cold, normal tap water, whatever water is there in room temperature, simple that kind of water, but it should not be warm, it should be always cold. Why? Because eyes are the place of pitta, and if we wash your eyes with the hot water, it will aggravate pitta and it will invite many unwanted eye diseases. So, what we will do, we will splash cold water, not freezing cold, but cold water on your eyes, both your eyes, open eyes and splash water on your eyes like this, with with the water inside your mouth. So, do this 4-5 times, and after that initially at the same time when you are splashing water, at the same time keep blinking your eyes. You keep splashing water 4-5 times in your eyes. You will see all the bad things in the morning. There is some yellow deposits in our eyes here or there, they will everything come to one corner, and your eyes will become super clean. Whatever is there, some kind of there is some eye waste is there when you get up in the morning, there is eye waste in your eyes and you do not know how to remove it. Many people start plucking it and like this and this. So, if you are doing it, one thing, it will remove all the eye waste from your eyes, because it will come into the corner, that is very easy for you to wipe it out, or even with water you can wipe it out, and this thing will happen. Another thing, you will feel very fresh in your eyes if you are doing this procedure. After this procedure has been completed, you remove the water that you are holding in your mouth out in the sink or wash basin. So, this way, this technique you can apply. If you have time, you do it 3 times. If you have no time, 3 times means 3 times filling water with mouth, splashing 5 times water in your eyes and removing the water from the mouth. This is called one cycle. Then you can do 3 times this, the same procedure if you have time. If no time, at least once you must do. So, what this will do, because water has cleansing properties and we are washing our eyes with cold water. So, naturally it will soothing our pitta. Make sure you never wash your eyes with hot water, because hot water aggravates pitta and unnecessarily invite diseases in your eyes, and your eyes will become more older for no reasons. So, never ever wash your eyes with warm water, always with cold water. Unless you have some kind of abscess or disease, or some kind of some kind of abscesses are there here, this which is called sty. So, if these kind of things are there, then always, because there is a different protocol for that. But if you are you feel like I have no problem, like general fatigue and these kind of problems are there, but there is no diagnosed disease like this sty or some kind of this blepharitis or many other things. If these kind of things are there, then there is different protocol for the eyes to follow. But if there is no as it is diagnosed disease, but still your eyes are having some kind of fatigue, some kind of uneasiness, some kind of irritation, then you start using this technique for the health of your eyes. It would be very, very beneficial. So, this is the technique for our first day. This is our first technique. You try this technique, write a comment below how you liked this technique, and slowly if you are starting doing this technique daily over a period of time, a day will come that you will feel very fresh in your eyes and you do not want to leave this technique, believe me. So, it is a very, very important technique that is mentioned in Ayurveda, and now it is with you also. You make use of it and see how your eye muscles get strengthened after these techniques, and your eyes will become more and more beautiful and more healthy. So, this is the tip for today. Try it.